Hi beauty. Okay. I'm back.
So we really just gonna act like my bun ain't lopsided?
With
Okay.
another video for y'all. Excuse my background, just like the hair, this. Yeah, okay. But today I'm gonna be doing my own goddess box braids. I've been doing hair a little bit now. Like I started in like 2018 or 2017. I had did Angelica some box braids. Like that was my first time ever doing like anything with like weave, like an actual style that somebody will wear. And that was kind of scary. Like the top part, it was like actually pretty good, but like the ends was just like the main thing that was like scary.
Sis, these are the ends. Yeah, I know, don't judge me. I'm sorry, Angelica.
So like
these are faces that I'm making in these clips. I was young and I've been delivering now. Okay, amen.
regular time I did like somebody hair. I did my hair, and it was my first time doing my own box braids. So that was actually pretty good. The ends a little bit bad. I was like, oh. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Okay, so this is actually from the time when I did my first the first time that I did my own box braids. You can't really see because in that picture it was like about time for them to come out, but they were still like making little cute styles and all that, so I still won. But yeah, but I'll probably insert a video or something when I first did them. They look pretty good. It was just like the parts was kind of like, well, some of the parts was like kind of like, but otherwise I think I did pretty good for my first time. Then on my head, so ever since then no, and then I think 2019, I think that was the next time that I did somebody hair, and I did my hair in those short box braids because I had been seeing it and I was like, this is so cute. So I tried them, and then ever since then I've been just doing hair, and that was like around like March 2019, and it's March 2020 now. So I'll insert some styles, and I posted some styles that I did on my channel, but like since then, like since like the last style that I posted, that I think that was me doing Angelica some passion twist or something, I've been doing styles, so I just put them on the screen. But yeah, and if you haven't followed my social medias, make sure you follow those because I'll be uploading my hairstyles on like both of them, well, like all of my social medias, so they're gonna be down in the description down below. So what you're gonna need is some expression hair. Like when I do people hair, they like, what kind do I need? Like, cause like they have this expression hair, and they also have this expression hair, and it's one like this, but it's a twin pack, and it's literally just the same as like both of these, but the twin pack is usually stretched, and like it's just like two separate bundles. But they just about the same because like once you take this out, you cut, and it's literally about the same length. Also gonna need some She Is Bomb Edge Control. Also gonna need some Shine and Jam. It's also about time for me to get some more, so I hope I don't run out. This is the $7.99 one, and the $7.99 one will last way longer than the $5 one. I know it's the point, but still, cause like with the $5 one, I'll be out of it in like 2 hairstyles or something like that. Also gonna need some, okay, this pack, I'm gonna just show y'all the back and the front. Deep twist. This is a 14-inch, and it's just in the back of the pack. It's in the package like this because I had switched it, because I had just placed it in here because this is some hair that I already used, but I was like, it ain't no sense in buying no more. I thought I had some 1B, but I guess they don't have no 1B because I could have sworn if I did I would have had some. But yeah, it's not really different from that, so we should be fine.
Later that week, my sister, she was like, your hair cute, but she, okay, so excuse my big forehead, but she was like, but like you got two different hair colors. I was like, oh, you can tell? She was like, yeah. I was like, is it like drastic? She was like, not really, but like you could tell like they different. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that. Like I would have got some, and nobody told me besides her, and I already had the hairstyle for a couple of days, so ooh. But yeah,
some Lotta Body Wrap Me foaming mousse. Y'all see I use this a lot. I have some more if I run out. some oh, I just threw my other scissors. Some hair ties to move your hair out the way. And a comb. Literally, okay, don't mind this raggedy comb. But literally, right when I was trying to film the video, I lost my comb. And I'm like, how? Sweetie, how? But and then it was my favorite comb because I just bought that and it was like cute and it had the little metal in it, and I like that because it gives you better parts. But I'm tired of it. Okay, I'm sorry. So when I take the Expression out the pack, I'm literally gonna split this in half where the little dent at from when you take it off. Oh, and then while I'm doing my hair, I'm gonna like watch Transformation Church or something just to give me something to do, because I can't really do my schoolwork while I'm trying to do my hair at the same time because I have to write it down. Yeah, this is pretty long, a little longer than I wanted, because once I stretch out the hair it's gonna be like longer than that. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of this off, and if y'all want to see how I stretch it out, I literally just take the pieces strand by strand and just start stretching them out. And just like that, I'm done. But so after I just bring it out like that, run my fingers through, get all the tangles. And it don't really be any tangles, but you know, after you just stretch it out. So start from the bottom. I put gel on my hair today and edge control. I really didn't want to, but I had to go to school, and yeah. Well, my hair is like, and I put like water and leave-in on it, so my hair is kind of ooh, a little stiff right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So to part my hair, I'm doing triangle parts too, or at least I'm gonna attempt. Yeah. And I really kind of like dislike that my hair is kind of crusty right now, because like I told y'all, I had to stick my hair with gel, and I didn't want to put gel on my hair. Okay, I know for a fact that's not the straightest. That's why I'm going back in with my shining gel, and I'm just gonna put it across my part and define my part. Okay, y'all, let me know how that look. Hold on, let me check. Y'all let me know if that's straight in the comments, because I tried. Hold on, I think I did my parts kind of good. Hold on, let me see this. Okay, so y'all, we just gonna go with it, I guess. Y'all probably like, why would she get a clip? See, all my clips just disappeared like a week ago. So I don't know what to tell you. I don't want them to be that big, so I get about like, seems like good amounts. So I'm just split them into two, then put one on the other, flip it on my head, and then split this into 3 sections. I hope y'all can see, like, sorry if you cannot. Continue braiding down. Y'all, I just realized I should have made these. I should have made the hair. I'm just dropping everything. I should have made the hair way shorter, because I forgot that I'm gonna be adding hair in. It's okay. okay, we can fix her. We can fix her. And you're also gonna need a lighter or nail glue to like for the curlies when you add the curlies. I usually use a lighter because I don't know if I should trust nail glue. But I'm honestly gonna cut this in half. And then I also get the lighter body. And I split these in sections because I don't like the end of my curly to be that thick. Okay, so guys, I'm finally done with the first row. I did the triangles on my down. Let me how they look. Here's the end. So curly. Oh, my camera put it down. I need to put it on the charger. But yeah, I'm gonna be back when I do like some more rows. So they'll be in a little bit. Y'all, I'm finna cry because I'm trying to do these parts and they looking kind of crazy. They're looking kind of crazy, and I'm like, pray for me, please. I was trying to do this braid. It's just the part. I don't know about that. So we're either gonna get Angelica or my mom. We're gonna call my mom, see what she at, because but y'all, I'm watching and he doing that history and the making. History and the making.
History and the making. Weekend. The builder paid it full.
He said the builder paid it full. Ain't that good? Y'all better stop playing with him. History and the making. History. Okay, let me finish my hair. Hold on, let me finish my hair. I forgot. I'm sorry. Like I'm over here having a whole jam session to his history and making, and I need to do my. Okay, let me get my. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna see y'all. Okay, so hey guys, it's the next day. We didn't have school today. It's Tuesday. We didn't have school today, so that's why I just finished my hair today. And yesterday I was gonna get my mom to help me part it, but we had went to the store, and then by the time we came back, I was like, I'm going to sleep. And this is how they're looking. I'm finna be on my second pack. Y'all, at this point, I'm finna cry. Because don't let me ever do triangle parts in my head again, because I done lost my mind. If I was doing somebody else's hair, it wouldn't be that bad. But I'm over here struggling the whole time trying to do these triangle parts in my head. Just wait till I get done, baby. Yeah. Is that Angelina? Sorry. So, it's been like about a week since I last seen y'all. I'm sorry, but I finished my hair. Okay, but I hope the back of my hair ain't got beady. But before I reveal to y'all my hair, y'all kind of already see it, but we're gonna have a little dance break to make up for the time that I did record. But we finally did it, and my hair's cute now. Don't mind this little bun. I just took a shower, so it was in this little weird thing. Do I do? After all that I do, Jesus.
After all that I've been through. Good God Almighty. You never lost value. All right.
After all that I do, Jehovah turned my life around.
He turned my life around. I like this part.
He makes a way when there is. I'ma stay safe. Miss, if you be so kind. I am so depressed for time. Will you take this number 4 and switch it with the number 9? Go to the back of the room. Now you got me messed up. I have an important meeting. Why you think I'm dressed up?
Gotta stay prayed up, cause
People will test you. She still cusses. See you later. God bless you. Even though I'm hot as fire, I'ma let you in and out.
close on Sunday. You my Chick-fil-A. Get your family. Y'all hold hands and pray.
But I've been living in a scarf these past 2 days. This is how we're looking. This is how we're looking. This is how we're looking. To be right outside my door, like, I don't know about all that, like, at all. Bye, beauties. If you're new to this channel, my name is Angelina. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias down in the description down below. If you want to know like names of the songs, and some of those aren't in like official song, they're just like from like a video or something. So I'll put the links down in the description down below. YouTube, I don't own any rights to any of the music in this video, so don't copy me, please. Love you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, beauties.